Welcome to day 88 of Learn to Lead in 100 Days. Treat the people the way you want to be treated. Talk to people the way you want to be heard. Respect is earned, not given. Do not exchange your dignity for popularity. I know many people who wants to make the place lively by cracking jokes that are not called for. Deep down, they go worrying that they are not respected. Today, we will learn some tricks how to make people like you. Again, you cannot be an angel in everybody's life, but learning this will make you to give and receive people in a better way. This strategy is called mirroring. This is not imitating literally, but mimicking subtly the other person's behavior. When talking to someone, try copying their body language, gestures, and facial expressions. This is called chameleon's effect, which occurs when people unconsciously mimic other people's behavior. This mimicry reflects liking. The mere exposure effect. The more you appear before people, the more you tend to be liked a lot. People tend to like who are very familiar to them. Though they are interacting with you or not, the more you appear before them, they tend to like you. Compliment other people. People will always associate you with the adjective that you use to describe other people with their personality. It is called spontaneous trait transference. If you describe someone as genuine and kind, people will associate you with that qualities. The reverse is also true. If you keep thrashing back behind people, they will associate your qualities with the negative factors. If you want to make other people happy when they are around you, do your best to communicate positive emotions. Emotional contagion describes what happens when people are influenced by the moods of the other people. According to stereotype content model, people judge others based on their competence and warmth. If you portray yourself as warm, that is non-competitive and friendly, they will get a feel to trust you. If you seem competent, for example, economic status or your educational status, they tend to respect you. According to pratfall effect, people will like you more after you make a mistake, but only if they believe that you are a competent person. Revealing that you're not perfect makes you more relatable and vulnerable towards the people around you. Not everyone is perfect, so it is okay to reveal your flaws time to time. People place a high value on the trustworthiness and trustingness in the relationship. These two traits are proved as important when imagining about an ideal friend or an ideal employee. Trustworthiness is comprised of several components: honesty, dependability, loyalty, and while each are important for successful relationship, honesty and dependability are identified as the most vital realms of friendship. Hope this helps. Follow me for the next days. Learn to Lead in 100 Days. I'm your coach, Rosie Inkuti. Many dreams can be achieved when you cultivate the habit of learning. I'm on a learning challenge for 100 days under a title, Learn to Lead in 100 Days, where I will be sharing my knowledge for free. Subscribe to my channel to start your learning journey.